Hi, I'm Chef D and I'm here for Nutrafarms, where I'm going to teach you today how to feed a big crew for Super Bowl. So we're going to make a bacon and bean dish that is just so much, when you think of old baked beans, you think they're dried in that. This is not that at all. There's tons of flavor, and we're going to get started by using some amazing Nutrafarms hardwood smoked bacon. You want that pan to be really hot. We're going to take out about a cup of onions and just nicely dice 2 stalks of celery diced up. We're going to add about a tablespoon and a half of garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're going to add our roasted peppers, a little bit of Frank's hot sauce, a little bit of red wine, a little bit of ballpark mustard. We're going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes, and then 1 of strained tomatoes. We're going to add 2 tins of beans. We're going to stir that together. And now what we're going to do is we're going to place this in the oven for about 1 hour at 350 degrees. So it's been an hour in the oven. Our bean medley with the smoked bacon, it smells amazing. It's piping hot, ready to come out, and we're going to get ready to serve it. Put it into our bowl. Super easy Super Bowl recipe that's great for feeding a lot of people, not only at Super Bowl, but so many other times throughout the year. Great tasting. Check out nutrafarms.ca for this recipe and many more.